That's why.
How do you hike all the way down here to come and see?
Just this thing.
This one, if we are going with this, it will come.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I will like you to on the side. I want to get it well.
No.
There was this opening at the other side.
No, she told us she ain't going back there. Sit here. No, no, that's this one. So we're ready to hike the Amedzorfe WATERFALLS. So we a little disappointed in the drone for just losing signal and then vanishing and then falling somewhere without giving us any,
Why you always try to wipe your mouth on me? That's not cool.
Wanted to give you guys the view, man. There's some nice view and all that. But we'll try to use our camera and our phones to get the view and show it to you. But one day, hopefully, they find a drone and hit us up. But until then, let's hike the Amedzorfe WATERFALLS.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
The God tree.
Fall into your
What's happening? We are about to walk into a waterfall. Okay? It ain't gonna be that easy. But we get in there. One leg at a time. And 100 people at a time. The way I'm hungry here. I can eat a whole horse.
I know, right? I am too.
fall into your
Yeah. You don't get anywhere good.
I think I always see what the one. We're still walking, we're still hiking.
So you're telling me that people fetch water and
Still
walk
hiking.
all the way down here to the village up there.
So what's that? You know, man.
Yeah, it's like a water thing.
So, how is it feeling like hiking to the waterfalls?
I mean, the hike is great, but I'm seeing people like coming with a bunch of food essentials, walking all the way down.
Yeah, they're coming from the farm.
Farm, yeah, it's insane. In here. Oh, wow. Let's see. One of the tallest trees in Ghana.
Oh, this one too has a history. Something written on it. Yeah. Used for making plywood, canoe doors, also leaves and using it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Energy.
Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us both.
Okay, so we have to go down. Ooh. Easy, easy, easy.
You tell me it was being like this.
Easy, 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 easy. Okay.
Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
What's the video you? Give me one bottle.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the
Thank you.
I prayed for you and kept you near, and hoped you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh.
Let's do it.
Hopeful us because I could
Yeah. If you're not careful, you fall. Yeah. Ajay. 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 No wonder they say 25 cities.
You okay?
I'm okay. Yeah, very blue.
Oh.
Where is it at?
No. Just look at that.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Keep going. Boy, are you okay? You walking with your barefoot? Yeah, the good thing is, you know what the beautiful thing after this is? Coming back up.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
What? How you feeling so far?
Maybe we should go back.
Emmy, are you okay?
No, I'm not.
You're not? You wanna go back? There's no turning back. Hey,
No, so
like this is serious. Look behind me. We are just descending the stairs. Oh my goodness! And look at them.
that's a beautiful view. Oh look, I got LTE.
So that's what we're doing?
Yeah, so
Oh wow!
oh don't worry about me, I'm good.
Oh wow! Hey!
Yep.
Ajay!
MD, I got you. I got it.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it.
Okay. Okay.
Good?
That'll be good, yeah. Hey! Wow.
No joke.
This is what we sign up for, eh?
No joke. You better hold on the other side.
Yeah. Hey! Hey! What an adventure.
Yeah.
This is real. So the game was. Hey, what you guys want to get me to do is comedies.
Yeah. Yo.
This is a real hike.
I love it though.
Ajay.
You gotta go sideways.
Mm.
You always gotta go sideways on
Okay.
these type of.
Kind of human being is this one? You are going back.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're going back. FYI, it's gonna be good.
You guys ready? Ready to hike back?
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Well, ready to hike back?
Oh, look at the white place.
Ah, you're not ready.
Hey, hey.
Please about. That's why.
How do you hike all the way down here to come and see?
Just this thing.
This one, if we are we go with this, it will come.
No, we went with you.
No, it was the one close to ours.
Is that it?
The
Because
king
we
or
went-
whatever.
We went to one, the Millicent's son almost drowned. I remember we went with me, you, my ex, and Bree.
Yeah. It was amazing.
Yeah, my queen.
Awesome. Extremely tired. Like very.
Stressful. You did a hike, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything to say? Your remarks?
I mean, the waterfall was disappointing, honestly.
Yeah, because the water was down.
But the hike was very interesting, that's all. But
And the mountain?
The mountain is pretty nice. Oh, it's
And the town.
the town.
Highest settlement,
The
man.
town itself, actually, it beats past the ones that we have back home. So, which is insane, like 200 and something feet. These people can run. They learn to like different.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
How was the hike?
It was amazing, even though
back here? Are you?
it was too much trek, but it was great.
This one.
Oh. Yeah. So we're done. We had it all. We're done. And we're ready to go back. It's just that we lost the drone. But the guys in the town have promised to look for it and then give us a call. So we're hoping they find it and then get us up. So fingers crossed. But yeah, we're ready to go back home. So we meet again in the next video. It's a boy Kinla saying peace.
Yeah, and he gave it to you.